the Caesar of Rome. You know, in them days, Rome, the king was called the Caesar. So the Caesar of Rome, he writes a letter to Amir al-Mu'mineen, the commander of the believers, the second Khalifa of Islam, the second successor of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sayyidina Umar al-Faruq al-A'zam radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And in this letter he says, I suffer from continuous headaches. If you have any medication, any medicine for this, then please send it to me. Allahu Akbar. He's asking the commander of the believers, Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What does Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu reply? Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu sends him a hat, topi, face, sends him a hat, and whenever the Caesar of Rome, he would wear this hat, then his headache would disappear. Allahu Akbar. When he would remove the hat from his head, the headache would reappear. The headache would reappear. When he would put it back, it would be gone. He was amazed. And eventually, he opened up the hat to see what was inside. What was so special about this? Do you know what? He found a piece of paper, almost like a ta'weez. He finds a piece of paper, and on it is written, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. The tasmiyah is written on it.